everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am painting this beautiful dramatic sky that has orange and pink tone shades and the dark stormy clouds, and these all the colors are reflecting to the water. And let's get started. For this painting I need masking tape and watercolor brush size 12. It's a big and holding lot of water. I am using wooden board to stick the paper. Using masking tape and sticking all around the paper. Sticking on the horizon line as well. Mixing pink shade with lot of water and start applying on the sky area and blending the color with the water. Mixing another shade, red Scarlet, with a lot of water and applying on the sky, and on the top of the red I am applying darker pink warm shade. On the top of it I am using pink and little bit of blue shade all over the sky area. Mixing little bit of blue shade and applying on the top corner. Mixing little bit of blue darker shade with a lot of water and applying on the another corner of the sky and dragging the belly around the paper. Mixing Dioxine Purple and applying on the top of blue shade. Mixing little bit of yellow ochre and applying little under the pink shade. Mixing darker Dioxine Purple with little bit of black and applying on the stormy cloud. Mixing another darker blue with ivory black and applying. Once dry the sky area, let's take out the horizon masking tape and whatever colors I am using on the sky area and all the colors I have to use on the water. Once dry completely, take out the masking tape and that's it for today. Thanks for watching.